welcome to Tech Nation. Today I will show you how to use WhatsApp Web. There are two ways with which you can use your WhatsApp. First, through a browser with web.whatsapp.com. You just need to open the URL on your browser. Now, once you see the QR code, you need to scan it, and I'm showing you this through my phone. You can scan your QR code by tapping on link devices, and you just need to link the device and scan the QR code. Once you're logged in, you'll have the dashboard for using WhatsApp on your system. You can navigate through menu here. You can put in your status, and you can send a new message. You can change the notifications. You can actually do a lot of stuff with this. There are also some shortcut keys here. You can change your background for the chat, and you can change your profile picture, name, your profile status, and you can archive your messages, or you can save your favorite messages as starred messages. And in settings, you can actually do a lot of stuff with your notifications and your theme for WhatsApp. You can choose it as light or dark, and you can choose the theme as per your system settings. And here you can see the background is getting changed. You can also block the contacts you don't want to chat with. And here are the keyboard shortcuts which I was telling you about. And the help menu. Now if you're on a public laptop or desktop or any public computer, you need to log out from the WhatsApp application, so that your messages won't be seen by any other person. The second way to do that is you can download an app through Microsoft Store, and this app only works if you have Windows 10 or above, and 64-bit of that. 64-bit Windows 10, and you'll be able to use this app. It's for free, and it can be searched easily on Microsoft Store. As you can see, I'm navigating through Microsoft Store, and here are the system requirements. Now here it says 64-bit, right? Now you just need to tap on get, and once you tap on get, it will start downloading. Now I'm just going to fast forward the downloading. It's around 133 MBs, so just going to fast forward it. Now once it's downloaded, you just need to launch the app. You just need to click on the launch button. And once it's launched, you just need to scan the device, your cell phone, and you'll be good to go. You can use it. Now be sure to like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you.